All right, what's the craziest thing you've ever heard someone say?
Let's have more meetings.
That is crazy. I'm Garrett, and this is Overheard at Coschedule, and today we are going to talk about why meetings aren't so bad. Meetings have a bad rap, and we want to fix that. So this is Catherine. Catherine leads our product marketing team here at Coschedule, and we are going to talk about the meeting structure that we use so that meetings don't suck, they're always useful, and everyone stays productive and on time. So Catherine, why don't you walk us through the first step of that process?
Yeah. Every day we have a meeting that we call scrum. And this is where we talk about what we did yesterday, what we're doing today, and any blockers that we might have. And this helps us just to keep on pace every day and stay focused. A lot of times too with blockers, people might wait until the last minute to tell you that the reason why they couldn't get that thing done at the end of the week was because of this. This helps us to eliminate those faster.
I love it because it has a really simple 1, 2, 3 agenda. Everybody knows what to do, same thing every day.
Yep.
Catherine, you manage our product marketing team, and I think you guys have some of the more complicated projects like the website project that we just did. We launched last summer.
Yep.
Talk to me about some of the things that you guys did meeting-wise to manage a large project like that.
Yeah, so we had Project Touchpoints, and this was where every day we just had a standing meeting for 30 minutes where we would sync and we would just put up our raw in progress work and get feedback, give feedback, and just iterate on the project faster.
Keep it rolling, keep the communication going. Kind of taking that out into our how to do meetings. We have 2 more meetings that we do at the end of the week. Maybe walk through those 2.
Yeah, so we have retros every Friday, and retros are what we do as an entire department, where we talk about the KPIs that we are constantly tracking for the year, any weekly wins, and then kind of the progress for the following week. And we talk about what went wrong, what went well, and how we can improve.
Yeah, so I think it gives you this consistent, we're always making it a little bit better every single week, all the time. And the last meeting of the week, the one with the beer, that's the one people care about.
Yeah, this is the one at the end of Friday, so you kind of have to have beer with it.
Right.
But it's called All Hands, and it's where the entire company comes together. And I think the biggest piece about this is that a lot of times we're all working in our own departments and we don't really see how each person and each team connects. And this helps us to see how all of our efforts make Coschedule even better.
Yeah. And what I love about that meeting is we always share weekly wins, we share goals, and everyone gets to see what everyone else is working on.
Yeah.
So it's a simple framework. Write it down, have simple agendas, and you can have great meetings, and they don't have to suck anymore. That's Overheard at Coschedule. Thanks.